Now that you have all the front-end developer skills for building websites in HTML and CSS with JavaScript and jQuery, and also the back-end developer skills, coding server-side scripts in PHP, and communicating with a database via MySQL, all that really remains to add power and functionality to your apps is to be able to connect to existing web services like Google Maps, Facebook, and Twitter, and do something cool with those services for your users. And the web standard for doing that is an Application Programming Interface, or API. And it might sound a bit scary, but it's actually pretty simple. And I've got a nice, easy diagram to get the idea of how it works. Essentially, we've got your app or website running on your web server. That makes a request to another provider's web server via an API, which then returns some data to your app for you to do something with it. So, for example, if you knew the location of your user and you wanted to find some local businesses or restaurants near to them, you could send the location of the user to the Google Maps API, and that would then return some local businesses in a format that you could then process and display for your users. So it's a really powerful, easy, and at the lower end, free way of getting access to the web services provided by the world's biggest companies. So APIs are pretty cool. And we're going to be looking at a few of them in this section to give you an idea about how they work and how you can integrate them into your websites. And we'll be starting using openweathermap.org to rewrite our What's the Weather web app that we made in the PHP chapter in a much better and more efficient way. And we'll do that in the next video.